Every office receives visitors every day, clients, vendors, candidates, and deliveries. But managing visitors is more than just entry and exit. Visitor management impacts security, compliance, and first impressions. Manual registers cause long wait times, poor record keeping, and security risks. A visitor management system digitizes the entire visitor journey. Visitors check in digitally, hosts receive instant notifications, approvals happen before entry, and all movements are tracked securely. A modern VMS improves security, reduces reception workload, and ensures compliance without complexity. That's why it's used across corporate offices, factories, hospitals, IT parks, schools, and government facilities. The Visitor Management System by MLAI Solution is simple, secure, and customizable, with real-time dashboards and complete visibility. Visitor management is no longer optional, it's a small change with a big impact. Call or WhatsApp +91 8800023217 or visit mlasolution.com for a free demo.